Brøndby Haveby, also known as Brøndby Garden City, is a community garden located in the town of Brøndby, Denmark. It was established in 1964 as part of a movement to provide green spaces for residents of the city, many of whom lived in apartment complexes without access to gardens. The garden covers an area of approximately 68 hectares and contains over 1,000 plots that are leased to individuals or groups for gardening and other recreational activities. The garden is organized into several sections, each with its own unique features, and is designed to promote sustainability, community engagement, and environmental stewardship. Today, Brøndby Haveby is considered a model for sustainable urban gardening and has become a popular destination for tourists and locals alike. Welcome back to the new video. The circular green garden is a unique section within Brøndby Haveby that features a circular layout and a focus on sustainability and environmental stewardship. The garden is designed to promote the principles of circular economy, which prioritize the use of renewable resources and the minimization of waste. The circular green garden features a variety of sustainable practices, including the use of rainwater harvesting, solar energy, and organic gardening techniques. It also serves as a model for sustainable urban gardening practices and has been recognized for its innovative design and environmental impact. The garden's significance lies in its ability to demonstrate how sustainable practices can be integrated into everyday life and provide benefits to both the environment and the local community. Through the circular green garden, Brøndby Haveby is helping to pave the way for a more sustainable and equitable future. The circular green garden at Brøndby Haveby is designed with a circular layout, which is intended to promote a sense of community and collaboration among gardeners. The garden is divided into several circular sections, each with a central gathering space where gardeners can meet and socialize. The circular design also allows for the efficient use of space and resources, making it an ideal model for sustainable urban gardening. The circular green garden at Brøndby Haveby is designed with a focus on sustainability and environmental stewardship. The garden uses sustainable materials such as recycled and locally sourced materials for construction, and features a variety of sustainable practices. These include the use of rainwater harvesting, solar energy, and organic gardening techniques. The garden also features a composting system that converts organic waste into nutrient-rich soil, reducing the amount of waste sent to landfills. Overview of the garden's various sections and features. The circular green garden at Brøndby Haveby is divided into several sections, each with its own unique features. It is a unique and innovative model for sustainable urban gardening, with a circular layout and a focus on environmental stewardship and community engagement. Strong focus on environmental sustainability, with the aim of reducing its impact on the environment and promoting a more sustainable way of life. The garden uses a variety of sustainable practices, including the use of renewable energy, water conservation measures, and organic gardening techniques. It uses renewable energy sources such as solar panels to power its operations, reducing its reliance on fossil fuels. The garden also uses rainwater harvesting to collect and store rainwater, which is then used to water the plants and reduce water consumption. In addition, the garden features a variety of water conservation measures, such as drip irrigation systems and mulching, which help to reduce water waste. Green garden at Brøndby Haveby uses organic gardening methods, which prioritize the use of natural materials and techniques to promote healthy soil and plants. The garden uses composting to recycle organic waste, such as food scraps and garden trimmings, into nutrient-rich soil that can be used to fertilize the plants. This reduces the amount of waste sent to landfills and promotes a more sustainable way of managing organic waste. Overall, committed to promoting environmental sustainability and using sustainable practices to minimize its impact on the environment. Through its use of renewable energy, water conservation measures, and organic gardening techniques, the garden serves as a model for sustainable urban gardening practices that can be replicated in other communities. Garden at Brøndby Haveby plays an important role in fostering community engagement and social connections. The garden provides a space for gardeners to come together and share their passion for gardening, while also providing opportunities for socializing and learning. The garden also serves as a gathering place for community events and celebrations, such as festivals and concerts, which bring people together and promote a sense of community. Offers a variety of events and programs that are designed to promote community engagement and social connections. These include gardening workshops and classes, cooking classes, and cultural events such as music and dance performances. The garden also hosts community events such as picnics and barbecues, which provide opportunities for gardeners and community members to socialize and connect with one another. Green Garden App has formed partnerships with local organizations to further its mission of promoting sustainability and community engagement. These partnerships include collaborations with local schools, where students can learn about sustainable gardening practices and participate in gardening activities. The garden also partners with local businesses and organizations to promote sustainable practices and raise awareness about environmental issues. Additionally, the garden works closely with the Brøndby municipality to promote sustainable urban development and create a more livable and sustainable community. Overall, the Circular Green Garden at Brøndby Haveby is a valuable community resource that fosters social connections, promotes sustainability, and serves as a model for sustainable urban gardening. Through its events and programs, and its partnerships with local organizations, the garden is helping to create a more vibrant and sustainable community for all. This garden has had a significant impact on the local community and the environment. The garden has provided a space for community members to come together and connect over their shared passion for gardening and sustainability, fostering a sense of community and belonging. Additionally, the garden's sustainable practices, such as its use of renewable energy, water conservation measures, and organic gardening techniques, have helped to reduce the garden's environmental impact and promote a more sustainable way of life. The Circular Green Garden at Brøndby Haveby has ambitious plans for the future, including expanding its garden plots and programming to reach more community members. The garden also plans to continue its focus on sustainability, with the goal of becoming a carbon-neutral and waste-free community. In terms of community engagement, the garden plans to continue offering events and programs that promote social connections and foster a sense of community. The garden's focus on environmental sustainability, community engagement, and partnerships with local organizations make it a valuable resource for other communities looking to create more sustainable and livable neighborhoods. Use of sustainable materials and practices, and focus on organic gardening also make it a unique and innovative model that can inspire other communities to adopt similar practices. By sharing its knowledge and expertise, the Circular Green Garden at Brøndby Haveby can help to create a more sustainable and equitable future for all.